So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this how people see me filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, you can go to search and search for this filter, but it's very difficult to find from search because there are lots of effect with this name. Better you go to your For You page and here search for how people see me filter. Okay, so on the first row you will see the effect icon. Just tap the, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not seeing this effect, then what you can do, tap on the first video by Jen Havan. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. To use the filter, just tap on the record button and wait for it. Sad, sigh, lucky, sassy. Okay, you will get the result. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.